Okay, so what you have received today?
Ah, something from Amazon. Now, you know I'm an Amazon babe and I don't always tell you what
is
I
it?
buy.
You actually tracked the guy on the mobile and got the delivery by the window.
Yeah. Because I'd say don't have much time to...
You go for toilet even.
Yeah, they don't have much time to deliver. Yeah. Good, but we got...
Ooh, what is it?
This is a little stand. Oh God, it was in a
Oh.
big box.
Keraiz. Simple and fashion good quality.
You can use for, as you can see, microwave. But I'm going to use it to put jars of jam on.
Oh, lovely.
And jars, yeah, because I've got a lot of pickles and...
So that's practically a stand.
Yeah,
It's big enough even to put a microwave on it and
well,
hang.
it is. I mean,
that's something you can put your pots and pans on it.
Yeah, oh God, I'll never get the right tripod. It's just a little stand-up thing, isn't it?
Oh, looks like my garden shelf. Just has a chrome finish.
Yeah. Right, well, there you go.
Okay.
It's got
So let me see how we can put it on together. There are here some stuff. Oh God, that will be very tall. I can see.
Ah, good. I want it to.
Okay, let me put it on. I'll have to put the camera down and just put it together, huh?
Okay.
Okay, I found that the way that you put the this stand bars is not like that you push it through, because there is a lever here. You have to open it. So when you open, this can go easily go down, and then you pull the lever and it locks. So you do this for all the four. Okay, the one that has the holes in both sides is the bottom shelf, and the top shelf is this one, which has the same level of the levers, and you put it like that. Okay. Okay, this is shelf, and you can rise actually the shelf. So at the necessary height, at the height that you really want.
These are for the bottom.
Yes, yes.
So
That is for the top.
No, we've got a bottom.
Yeah, those bars, yeah, those bars. Show me here. Down. The camera cannot rise. Down here. These ones are... Show me. No. They're going to the bottom to hold these things together. So I will show you how it is. Okay, how you set it up. You first put the top part, which is this top part, the one with the dead end. You put it flat on the floor. You attach your first bar inside it. Susan, can you press that inside there? Now the second one. Now the third one. No, not yet. You can clip it, but you make sure that is to the end. Now you can clip it. I've shown you how to clip.
No, I think you better do it.
You do this.
No, it's not clipping for me. You have to do it.
Yeah. This is the way.
No, it's still not in. Look.
You didn't put it in.
I did put it in.
The only one that I asked you to do, you have not done it. Okay.
There's clip now.
Okay, when it is done, you put the second shelf in its place. So you have to be careful. This is the side that should be up, because this whole structure will be upside down at the moment. It's upside down. You have to turn it over when you're finished. So you do it now like that. Each one of these goes inside the hole. Okay, now you have put the lower middle shelf, and then you have to push it down with care, 4 sides at the same time. The best way is to press it with your arm like that, and it goes at the height that you want. You can adjust it at the height that you want. If you only pressure this side, then this side, then this side, then this side, you will break it. Plastic will break. You have to press both 4 sides with 2 hands at the same time, so they go down easily. Okay, this is the height that it is now. So we can adjust it later, but at the moment I think that is enough for us. Now it's the time for this end bits, and the same. They have to go like this. No, they have to go, yeah. They have to go like this on the thing. That's the dead end part, and the dead end part goes inside. That will be the bottom part of the stand. Like this. Okay, then you lock it. So, now this is done, you can turn it over. That's the shelving that you have. By the way, we have made a mistake here.
What?
Oh, is it all right? Oh, yeah, you can extend it like that. Doesn't matter which side they are, you can extend it yet. So perfect.
Isn't it lovely?
It's too much. Just too much. Just too much. You see the
Okay.
buckled.
Well,
No, close it a little bit closer.
No,
The more,
okay.
slightly.
I don't know
Push it
how
more,
I
push it
can.
more.
I can't push it.
Okay, Suda, can you open it now, please? Oh, put it down, put it down, put it down.
No,
Oh,
no,
there's
look,
the...
we haven't got this lot.
Okay, this, you have to be careful. This extension and both shelves should be on the same side. We made a mistake on the first time. This one was this side. It may not be affecting it, but that's the way the diagram tells. So we did it the way that the diagram tells. Now you can put this clear vinyl shelves covers. Here, the other one. You can put the shelf of your choice, but these are the ones that they have given us. Came with it. Yeah. I think I don't need really practically to extend it. That is enough. And there are hooks here. You can put lightweight items on them. That's enough for us. Let us do it. Okay, now we have put some of our stuff as a thing. These are the things that we wanted to put somewhere. We couldn't really do it. Chopped tomato. If you don't see them, they are in the cabinet. Well, we can use them. So all the things that we wanted to see and we needed to see are here, safe and sound. We put our fruits on the top, and there's hooks, 6 hooks here, which we put our sets of the cutlery here, and that's it. And also the tissue, we put it this side. I like it. It looks strong enough to stand. You should not try to move it around with weight on it, because anyway, it's weight. The only weakness probably I can say is this plastics, which look hard plastic. They should have made it a little bit thicker or give to the metal. Why not aluminium? But for the price, how much you paid for this?
£14.99.
Okay, £15 you bought this, and yeah, they could make it aluminium. Anyway, they didn't. So that's it. That's what we have.
And it's such a space.
It's a space saver. Now you have 3 stories, and now our microwave is clean. Top of the microwave was used as a shelf. Now this can be used as another shelf.
It definitely will be used as another shelf.
We could even put the microwave down there, but then if we put it there, it's near the sink, and the water and the electric, I don't like them close together. So that's it. And yeah, this is a good space-saving product. See that you have removed the blue towel out and put the breads there. That's good. I like that.
No, you can always
That's better.
do little things.
That's beautiful.
Just make it
Space saver.
easy. It's a little space saver.
Yeah. If you live in one of these, short of a storage or space, it's better to use this. It extends you vertically.